Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel just here and there. This is Ronald. In my previous video of Malta, you saw Blue Grotto and its crystal clear waters. I hope you liked it. If you're not seen, the link is in the description box below. And this video is about my journey to Valletta, which is the tiny capital of the Mediterranean island nation of Malta. This historic city is abundant in art and architecture. Valletta is a World Heritage Site and is often described as an open-air museum and a living piece of history. Though the city was built in a peninsula of only 1 kilometer by 600 meters, Europe's southernmost capital is abundant in historical sites. The fortified city walls overlook the Mediterranean Sea and provide a perfect setting for a relaxing holiday. UNESCO described Valletta as one of the most concentrated historic areas in the world. There are tons to see and do in this spectacular city. Visiting Valletta is an absolute must on a trip to Malta. I was staying in Slima, which is the resort town in the east coast of Malta. Slima means peace, comfort. Was once a quiet fishing village. Now Slima and the coastline up to neighboring Saint Julian's constitutes Malta's main coastal resort. Slima, Valletta and Saint Julian's have their own unique charm, and the right choice where to stay depends on your personal preferences. But I would go with Slima because it gives you bigger selection of hotels, restaurants, etc., especially in the evening. Also, Slima is one of the top commercial districts in Malta. The capital city Valletta is so easy to reach by bus or ferry. I took a ferry from Slima to Valletta and it took approximately 10 minutes to reach the capital city. For me, this ride itself was good. It's really a cheap and fast ferry service. I would definitely recommend it, and it costed me to and fro just 2.8 euros. This is Valletta and here the ferry stops. To roam around, you can take a city tour bus. You can also walk, rent a bike or take a horse cart.
Come to Malta, it's very nice and clean.
I took a horse cart and it costed me 30 euros for a family, and it was a 30-minute ride over a coastline. For me, this journey was also amazing because he explained me on the way rich history of Malta, showed some government buildings, etc. etc. Maltese are super friendly, renowned for their warmth and hospitality. Most of the Maltese speak English and the currency here is euro. I wanted to reach one place at 12 pm, which I'll be showing you in a few minutes. Hence I was asking him, can we make it? And this guy was always optimistic and he in fact made it. Exactly at 11:55 am, we reached the place where I wanted to visit, and this is Saluting Battery. At 12 pm noon and at 4 pm, cannon fire happens here. The Saluting Battery is one of Malta's most vibrant visitor attractions, where history is brought to life daily. It is located on one of the best vantage points overlooking the Grand Harbour in Valletta. The Saluting Battery was built in the 16th century by the order of Saint John and was mainly used for firing ceremonial gun salutes and signals, to mark anniversaries, religious feasts, and also to greet visiting dignitaries. It's the only ceremonial battery which is still operational and possibly the oldest in the world. One of 8 replica guns is fired at noon and at 4 p.m. every day, and there is a historical reason for choosing these specific times. Years ago, the cannons were fired at the time on a daily basis for the benefit of shipmasters on board vessels to calibrate their ship clocks by, and now they're remembering it and bringing it to life daily.
So please follow the instructions of the soldiers on the battery.
With the assistance of the Malta Tourism Authority and the Bank of Valletta. Since then, its guns have unfailingly heralded the passage of midday on a daily basis, as you will witness today. Please note that immediately after the firing of the noon gun, you can visit this battery and see its fantastic.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Evening gun, fire!
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I hope the cannon was loud enough for you. Give a big round of applause, please, for our gunner, Joseph. Okay, those of you on the battery, can you please remain where you are?
It's really an amazing experience. The saluting battery is operated by NGO Malta Heritage Trust. There are more than 40 staff as well as group of passionate volunteers who work to safeguard and promote the island's unique history, and it's paying off. After seeing the cannon fire, I explored the sights of Valletta by walk. I would say it's a must-do in Valletta. It is not for nothing that Valletta became European Capital of Culture in 2018, and it is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Generations of renowned artists have left their gigantic footprints here, so keep minimum 2 hours to walk around. After my late lunch, I went straight to Saint John Co-Cathedral, which is a Roman Catholic co-cathedral in Valletta, dedicated to Saint John the Baptist. The entry fee for one adult is €15 and it's really worth it. The architecture over here is really impressive. From the outside you would say it's very humble, but once you enter it, it is completely Baroque. It has so many details and you will be lost. It is Malta's national treasure. The Saint John Co-Cathedral was built by the Order of Knights of Saint John and was completed in 1577. Over the years, the church was transformed from a basic Mannerist church into a most outstanding treasure. Throughout the centuries, every grandmaster and many knights donated gifts of high artistic value and made enormous contributions to enrich this church with the best works of art by leading artists of that time. Saint John the Baptist is the Jewish prophet who baptized Jesus. There is also an audio guide which gives you more information, so don't miss this engineering masterpiece. After your Valletta sightseeing in the evening, I would definitely recommend to take a ferry ride to 3 cities. Just below the saluting battery, there is a Valletta to 3 cities ferry point. Price for to and fro journey is €2.8. This ferry service is fast, clean and frequent means of getting between Valletta and 3 cities. Malta's 3 cities comprise Birgu, Sangli and Kospaikua. These 3 neighborhoods are a hotbed of Maltese history. Three Cities is excellent place for history and dining out. and have attractions in abundance. No matter how long you stay in Malta, visiting the three cities is worth the effort. Ferry ride from Valletta to the three cities with its amazing views and an unparalleled sense of history is one of the best things to do in Malta.
Io penso che si possa fare. Sì, sì. Ma ho capito, ma io come faccio? Quindi me lo
Once you reach the three cities, people say to spend at least half a day exploring the streets. But I just wanted to enjoy the ferry ride and see the unbeatable view. That's it for now. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, share and subscribe if you like, and I'll come up with a more interesting video next time. Until then, see you. Bye.